everyone, and welcome back to Toys with Voice. Now today, I'll do an Unreal unboxing because I already played with these toys, but here we have 3 figures: Mudkip, Pikachu, and Boltund. So they came out of this box here, and here we have the list of battle figures. Now they're so cool, like this Pokemon Pikachu is ready to jump. Mudkip is happy with an open mouth. And Boltund can walk. He can move his legs. Kinda cool. I love the design. So that's it for now. Bye bye.